You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly. They are indeed the same word, and they do have also, surprisingly enough, the same pronunciation. In English, how to pronounce though. The top one, THO, is a less common, unusual, non-standard spelling of though. How to pronounce in English though. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.